Tower, Cessna 079 would like to switch over and contact Bradley Department.
079er, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 079.
Number 62079, ident, and your squawk code is going to be 7070, 7070.
Squawk 7070, 079.
If you could slow your speed, there's an emergency aircraft with Bradley, and they're headed into Bradley. They're just chirky and slow, or Cessna 150 and slow, so a little bit of delay.
Southwest 60, sir. We'll bring it back.
Yes, sir, I have the Bradley Airport inside.
I'm going to give you the tower. It's 120.3, 20.3. Can you make the frequency change?
Can you repeat the tower frequency, please?
Number 62079, do you want to make a frequency change, or do you want to stay with me?
I can make a change.
Number 62079, roger. The tower now 120.3, 20.3.
120.3, over 079.
November 62079, Bradley Tower, if you're on frequency, runway 15, clear to land. State 5, proceed Sierra 3, hold short of runway 15.
Sierra 3, short of 15, State 5, and just be advised after this aircraft touches down, I'll plan to close the runway for inspection.
Roger.
2079, roger, stay with me. And 62079, winds at Bradley 300 at 3, clear to land runway 15.
Clear to land runway 15, 079. I realized I didn't switch the tower. I'm going to switch the tower now, 079.
Number 62079, you can just stay with me.
Okay, stay with you, 079. Yeah, I've got no oil pressure.
State 5, proceed on runway 15, full length.
Runway 15 closed at this time.
Show runway 15 closed at this time. And November 62079er, Bradley Tower, if you can hear me, turn right, echo, and just say intention.
Bradley Tower, Cessna 079?
November 62079, Bradley Tower.
Yes, sir, it's November 6309er. Currently unable to move due to engine failure. I just exited off of Echo of runway 1507.
November 079er, roger, stand by and I'll have some information for you in a second. Do you need assistance at this time?
Yes, sir, assistance in terms of moving the aircraft is unable to move on my own.
Roger, stand by, I'll get you some information on that.
Thank you, 079.
99, tensions of the Cessna.
They've exited the runway, but they're unable to move at this point.
Tower 079, I could get off the aircraft and push the aircraft if you'd like.